The LAMFO Cast Iron Skillet 8-inch is a great addition to any kitchen. It offers the wonderful heat retention of cast iron. It also boasts a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleanup. This skillet is like a reliable friend in your cooking journey. It helps you create delicious meals without much fuss. The 8-inch size is perfect for everyday cooking tasks. Think frying eggs or searing small portions of meats. This LAMFO Cast Iron Skillet 8-inch comes with a clever removable handle. This is a fantastic feature for several reasons. It makes the skillet easier to store in your cabinets. Plus, it allows you to transfer the pan from the stovetop to the oven safely. Imagine baking a frittata or finishing a steak in the same pan. The non-stick coating means that food releases easily. Cleaning becomes less of a chore. And that's always a win. This pan aims to make your time in the kitchen more enjoyable and less about the con of scrubbing. Stuck on food. Over the year, a good skillet becomes a trusted tool. The LAMFO Cast Iron Skillet 8-inch is built to last. Cast iron is known for its durability. This pan can withstand high heat. It can even go in the dishwasher, adding to its convenience. While some may find cast iron pans heavy, this 8-inch version offers a good balance of sturdiness and manageability. It's a solid piece of cookware that can handle your daily cooking needs. From simple eggs to more elaborate dishes, it truly earns its place in your kitchen. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: durable cast iron, even heat, non-stick coating, easy food release, oven safe, dishwasher safe, removable handle, easy to clean. 8-inch size, good for eggs, good for frying, good for sauté. Cons: non-stick may degrade, handle could loosen, uneven heating possible, potential for rust. Cleaning can be tricky, non-stick not for high heat, removable handle has parts, durability of coating. Features: cast iron 8-inch, non-stick, frying pan, removable handle, skillet, egg pan, non-stick. Cooking, oven safe, dishwasher safe. This LAMFO 8-inch cast iron skillet is a non-stick frying pan that's also safe to use in the oven and dishwasher. It has a handle that you can take off. This makes it easy to cook eggs and other foods without them sticking. The pan heats evenly because it's made of cast iron. It's designed to be easy to clean too. This 8-inch LAMFO Cast Iron Skillet has a non-stick coating and a removable handle, making it oven and dishwasher safe and easy to clean. It's designed for even heating and easy food release. Good for cooking eggs, frying, and sautéing. Though the non-stick might wear down with high heat and the handle could potentially loosen over time. While cast iron is durable and retains heat well, uneven heating and rust are possible, and cleaning might sometimes be a bit tricky. The non-stick feature is not meant for very high temperatures, and the removable handle has several parts. The long-term durability of the non-stick coating is also a question to consider.